Because for those of you who are taking composition today, what we're going to do is work on creating your account in LinkedIn, and then using that information that you upload and include in your profile in LinkedIn, we're going to merge that automatically into your own online resume. So I'm going to explain briefly how you can go about doing that. The first step is to go to LinkedIn. That's linkedin.com, where you'll create your own account. Once you've done that, you'll need to sign in to LinkedIn. And once you have signed in, you can go to your profile. And if this is the first time you've signed in, obviously you won't have anything in your profile. But you go to your profile here, and you can then begin uploading information to your profile. Now, my recommendation would be to start uploading information regarding your education and any experiences that you have. You basically want to go through each of the sections and update the information that's pertinent. It's very important that the information that you upload is true, and so that you're not uploading information that's not true. But the idea here is that you begin uploading information based on your current status, and then as you get more, as you go through the BA and you continue your education and you continue getting more experience, you go back and update your profile so that it's up to date. But remember that LinkedIn is for professional purposes, so it's very much like Facebook in the sense that it's a social network, but it's specifically for professionals, those who are looking for a job, those who are seeking candidates to fill positions. It's a good way to network with other teachers, for example. It's a good way to find other schools and institutions where you would like to find employment. So even if you're not interested at this particular moment trying to find a job, it's useful, or will be useful for you going forward. So in this class, our first step is just to get you familiar with LinkedIn, look around, start connecting with others. You can connect with whomever you want. For the purposes of our class, it's not necessary that you connect with anyone, but you're certainly encouraged to connect with whomever you wish. So when you go to your profile, let's see, let me click out of here. Okay, and just a couple of things here. This is your public page here that will show your profile, but this is the public view. So you can go and share this link with others if you want to show your profile of LinkedIn with someone else. You can copy and paste this link and share it with others. So let's say you want to edit your profile. You can go towards the top. Okay, and my internet connection is a little slow today. Okay, so let me try one more time here. Well, while that's waiting, the second step that you're also going to need here is to go to Resume Builder, and you can access this website by typing in resume.linkedinlabs.com, this address here, and this will take you to Resume Builder. Once I get my profile up and running, I'll go back and explain that. But the idea here is that the information that you upload to your profile in LinkedIn will automatically merge to this website, and this is where your resume will reside. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is sign into LinkedIn. So, or signed in with LinkedIn. You'll sign in here, and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, again, the internet is really slow today. Let me go back to my profile. The profile here, if you click Edit Profile, this will give you the option to go and upload information. And you'll see here that it's by section. So here you have your summary. This is just information that I've uploaded in LinkedIn. These are PowerPoint presentations. Experience. So for example, if you want to add a position, you can click Add a Position, and this will prompt you, and you go through and fill out the information accordingly. Volunteer, if you volunteer for anything. Basically just go through here and add any information that is relevant. Again, it should be relevant, or should be information that's true. Some information, or some of these sections, you won't have any information to upload, and that's fine. But do go through and fill out as much as possible, as completely as possible, according to your current status. All right, let me go back to Resume Builder. So once you have created your profile in LinkedIn here, okay, then we want to go to Resume Builder, and it's going to prompt you here. It's going to ask you, do you want to give permission for LinkedIn to share this information or merge it in? You want to click Continue. And this will take you to a dashboard. And I currently have one resume, and this will be automatic here. There's a couple of things that you need to look at. First, the public URL. This is going to be important because later I'll ask you to copy and paste this to your personal blog. But you'll notice that there's a template section and then your name. If you click on your name, okay, let me try it one more time. Just got an error. Again, I think the main problem here is my internet connection. This will take you to your resume. So here, this information is automatically coming from LinkedIn. So you don't have to enter the information again, that it's drawing directly from your profile, the information that you upload there, and bringing it into this nice format. Now, notice on the left-hand side, you have different templates. So you can choose which template you would like. And for the purposes of our assignment for this week that's due this Saturday, it doesn't matter which template you choose. This is completely up to you how you want your resume to be seen. But this is how you can go through and select the appropriate template. I'm going to click on Home again. In fact, I guess and then go click in, sign in again to the dashboard. If you want to print your resume, which you don't have to do for the purposes of our assignment, but certainly it might be something that you want to do later on, you can also click PDF Print, and it will provide a print version. Now, there is something that you do need to go in and change, because by default the privacy setting is set at private. You do need to go in and select public on the web, so that you will have to go in and select public on the web, so that this link that you share, that you'll be sharing with your blog, this will need to be included on your blog. So and I'll talk about that here in a few more minutes. But basically, that's it. If you want, for some reason, to edit your resume, you can click Edit here. Edit Profile isn't really necessary. I mean, this basically takes you directly to LinkedIn. So if you're in LinkedIn already, you're already editing your profile, as I discussed earlier. So basically, those are the only things, the few things that you need to do here in Resume Builder to get your resume basically up and running. So again, the main thing to remember is once you go in, you do need to check your privacy setting. This will be the first thing. And then this will be the public URL. Now that it's set at public, you can copy and paste this and share this with whomever you'd like. For our purposes, we will want to upload this information to our personal blog. Now, one last thing I want to mention in your profile in LinkedIn is when you go in and you're uploading or updating your information, there is one section here that's called Summary. And I would like for you to include information in this box that you filled out for the purpose statement. Basically, you were talking about in that assignment, you were discussing your ideal job. So describe some information or include information from that assignment in your summary, I would rather that you not copy and paste the information from that assignment, but basically kind of paraphrase and in your own words, restate what you did from that assignment, looking for basically your ideas about how you view your ideal job, some basic information about you, about maybe your own philosophy, your work ethic, basically anything about you that someone would might want to know about, again, from a professional standpoint. So include information here in the summary section and continue on through and finish filling out the appropriate sections. Then go into Resume Builder and complete that. And that's basically it. Now, at some point, you'll want to upload this information as well to your blogger, or to your personal blog, and I think we can do that. We can include that and do that this weekend as well. For Saturday, I'd like for you to have this completed, and basically all of the products that we've been working on this unit 2, I would like for all of those to be uploaded to your personal blog. For your resume, basically, I would include a link in the post that you included for your purpose statement. So where you discussed your purpose statement at the very bottom, you might say, have a sentence saying that here's a link to my my resume, and include the URL or a hyperlink in your personal blog. So we'll be working on this today. If you have any questions, obviously you can ask in class, and you can also come by my office if you're having questions or issues with regard to technology as we complete this assignment and complete Unit 2.